Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the Blitz fold. Now there are two methods for this fold. If you want to watch the method specifically for kids, you can watch my other video, link in the description box. Begin with a square sheet and fold in half diagonally in both directions. So we are left with two creases that form an X. Okay, now all we have to do is bring each point to the center of where the two creases intersect and flatten our model. We're going to do this for all four corners, guys. And that is what a Blitz fold looks like. Thanks for watching, guys.